My name is Jake Kerner. I am hard of hearing, and I have been since I was a baby, when I was born very premature. Other than my hearing aids, most people don't even realize I'm hard of hearing. This is thanks to the Deaf and Hard of Hearing program at Baker School. I started at Baker at the age of 3 and remained in the program for 6 years. Thanks to the program, I am a successful 6th grader and fully mainstreamed at my home school district in Mount Laurel. I am a success story of how a young child with special needs can learn to overcome their handicap, provided they are given the right support at a young age. At Baker, I used the hearing that I had and learned to use my spoken word as well as sign language. And most importantly, I learned that I was not the only deaf and hard of hearing little boy. I was not alone. I met deaf and hard of hearing children my age. I met older children. I met deaf adults. I learned that I was part of a community and that I could grow up to be successful. I learned that the only thing different about me is that I couldn't hear as well. I learned that's okay. I realized it must cost a lot of money to keep a program in a place for kids like me. I'm not sure how much money it costs, but I know that you could not put $1 in value on what Baker School did for me and so many other children like me. I can never thank you enough for what you've done for me and all that Baker has done for me. Thank you for listening on behalf of those who cannot hear. Thank you.